Good morning, children. Now, this is 10th class social studies. So, we completed already 5 lessons in geography. In the previous class also, I said some important locations of India. So, why I am telling once again? Because map pointing is very important in the first paper and also second paper in the public examinations. So, you must thoroughly practice the map pointing, what are the locations, what I am telling here, and also what locations are there in the material and also textbook. Okay, so take your outline maps and write down the index. You prepare, you practice that map pointing. That is very important. But students, yesterday, that means in the previous class I said direct locations, but in the public examinations, the map pointing also giving indirectly some points. Some locations are giving indirectly. Okay, for example, look at what is this? For example, this is Indian Peninsula. Peninsula means a land covered by 3 sides of water. That is called peninsula, we know. Okay, so in that peninsula, what is the plateau? That is indirect question. We know this is Deccan Plateau, but he will ask you in the public examinations, in peninsular plateau, what is that? This is Deccan Plateau, like that. Now, I wrote already here some important locations in that index. I read to you Mishmi Hills. Mishmi Hills. Look at, this is the India map. So this is the north. North means from here to here, this is North India, this is South India. So Mishmi Hills, eastern states, Mishmi Hills are there. Next one, Rajmahal Hills. Look, these are the Rajmahal Hills. So we have 3 main plateaus: Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Okay, so here Malwa Plateau is there, here Chota Nagpur Plateau is there in Jharkhand area, and Deccan Plateau, it is our South India. Okay, so in these 3, they asked here first Chota Nagpur Plateau. What is that? Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next one, listen, Mishmi Hills, I wrote already these Mishmi Hills. Next to Rajmahal Hills, these are the Rajmahal Hills. Students, listen, you need not write the full in sentence, but just you give number. Okay, Mishmi Hills, here you write down just number, Mishmi Hills number 1. So just you write down here just to 1, like that. Rajmahal Hills, so here you write down just to 2, no need to write this one. Okay, next one, Tibet. So where is Tibet? So this area is called Tibet. This number is 33. Next, Simla. So this is one of the state of our country, Simla. So this is Simla. This is Simla. Next, Ran of Kutch. It is located in Rajasthan. Ran of Kutch. What is the number here? 5. Ran of Kutch. Next, Chota Nagpur Plateau. I said already, this is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next one, Deccan Plateau. What it is? Deccan Plateau. This is peninsular India, south part Deccan Plateau. Okay. So what is the number here? 7. Mount K2. So K2 peak is the highest peak in India. K2 peak is the highest peak in India. So what is the highest peak in the world? So here we look at Mount Everest. Mount Everest. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. But he asked what is the highest peak in India? So this is the highest peak in India. Second highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Nandaprabha. So they are located here. Okay. So next one, Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? The south tip of our India. The south tip of our India. So in Tamil Nadu. So you now look at here. If it is not visible, just you the south tip of India is Kanyakumari. What is the number? Kanyakumari 9. South tip of India. Next one, Myanmar, Pakistan. So we have some neighboring countries. What are the neighboring countries of our country? Look at. So this is Pakistan. What's the number? Pakistan 10. Next one. This is Nepal. This is Bhutan. This is Bangladesh. This is Myanmar. So I wrote already Pakistan. Where is Pakistan? 10. Number 10. Myanmar. So this is Myanmar. Review number 11 number. Enough. Next one Nepal. I wrote already here. This is the Nepal. Himalayan kingdom. It is also known as Himalayan kingdom. Students listen. They do not give you directly location of Nepal, but they will ask you like this. What is the Himalayan kingdom? You write down Nepal and you locate this area. Next one Bhutan. So this is Bhutan. Okay, Bhutan. So between Nepal and Bhutan we can find this is our state, one of the Indian states, Sikkim. What is that? Sikkim. Next one IST, Indian Standard Meridian Time. Okay, so this is boys, girls, IST. You draw like this and you put this is 82.5 degrees longitude. IST. This is IST, Indian Standard Meridian Time. Okay. Next one. What is this one? Tropic of Cancer. Important latitude passing through our country. This is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. What is that number? You need not write that answer letter. You give a number. Tropic of Cancer. Next, Indian Ocean. Where you can find the Indian Ocean? Our South India locates are surrounded by three water bodies. This is Arabian Sea, we know. This is Arabian Sea. What islands are there in Arabian Sea? Lakshadweeps. So these are the Lakshadweeps. Students, don't confuse Lakshadweeps. Lakshadweeps. What islands are located in Bay of Bengal? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. What islands in Bay of Bengal? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next to this is IST. This is Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states in our country. Next one, Maldives. It is separate nation. Separate nation. You can find below Maldives in Indian Ocean. Below Maldives here, Maldives. Okay, what is the number? Maldives number 18. So you write down 18. So that is Maldives. One of the nation, separate nation. Locates our neighboring country. Next one, you know, below Sri Lanka, below Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka. It is also one of the nation. It is the teardrop of Indian Ocean. What is that? Sri Lanka, teardrop Indian Ocean. Next one, between India and Sri Lanka, one strait is there. That is called Park Strait. What it is called? Park Strait. Here you can find the Park Strait. Park Strait. Next, this is Bangladesh. It is separate nation. Bangladesh, separate nation. Okay. So this is West Pakistan, East Pakistan at the time of our Indian independence time, 1947. But it is formed as a new nation 1971 with the help of our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Okay. Okay, boys. This is Bangladesh. Now look at here, Ooty. So Ooty can find here. Ooty. What is the number? 90. Next one, Kudankulam project. Kudankulam project. Where you can find Kudankulam project? Below Ooty, here you can find Kudankulam project. Okay? Kudankulam project number is 10. Sorry, 20. What is that number? 20. Next one, river Narmada. So here you write down, this is river Narmada. Students, I said 4 rivers flowing westwards and drain into Arabian Sea. What are the 4 rivers? What are the 4 rivers? Narmada, Tapati, Mahi, Sabarmati. I repeat, Narmada, Tapati, Mahi, Sabarmati. So these are the 4 rivers going westward and to drain into Bay of Bengal. So remaining rivers, that means Brahmaputra river, Ganga river. Next one, here in this peninsula rivers, Godavari river, Krishna river, Kaveri river, Mahanadi, okay, Penna. So these all rivers originates westwards and to drain into Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, where it drain into Bay of Bengal. So this is Bay of Bengal. Okay. So students listen. In the map pointing, they will ask you direct location and also indirect. Okay. So that is why you don't confuse. That is why while I am teaching, carefully listen the lesson with the help of your textbook. While I am teaching, first you open your textbook. Which points I am telling, you take one pencil and underline it. What are the important points? Okay. After you read the lesson from page 1, from first line to last page, last line. Okay. What are the highlight points in your textbook? That highlight points also read. What are the pictures mentioned? That pictures also you observe it. What are the maps are there and what are the index concerning map? That index also you study and practice. Okay. Next one. Not only that one, timelines also there, pie charts also there, bar graphs also there. So that all pie charts, bar graphs also you practice in your rough notebook. Because in public examination, pie charts, bar graphs also will be there. So that's why you must carefully practice these all things. So students, so this is our Indian map, and some I wrote already here. I located some and I gave numbers concerning the locations. Okay. Now students listen. I want to show you some maps. Look at your. This is the material, volume 1. You come to the material, page number 124. What is that? Page number 124. Once you look at this page number 124, so here temperature given. For example, Sikkim temperature less than 10 degrees centigrade. Our Andhra Pradesh temperature above 40 degrees temperature. Next one, Gujarat above 40 degrees centigrade temperature. Next one, Rajasthan up area, that means in Pakistan above 40 degrees temperature, centigrade temperature. Next one, Jammu and Kashmir less than 10 degrees temperature in Srinagar. Where? Srinagar. Next, less than 10 degrees temperature Arunachal Pradesh, it can record it. Above 40 degrees, I think it is in Odisha. So students, once you observe these pictures also, and you need to know how many states are there, what are the states location between and around, what are the states in a particular states also there. Next you come to the another, this is India's average temperature in the month of May. Average temperature in the month of May. So here they mention about 4 cities temperature: Jaipur, Leh, Delhi and Chennai. So these are the 4 cities temperature given. 4 degrees temperature given. Now students, 30 degrees temperature at Chennai, 20 degrees to 25 degrees temperature locates Karnataka state area, Rajasthan 32, Delhi also 30. Next one here Jammu and Kashmir 30, 25, 20, and here Arunachal Pradesh 20, 25. Okay students, now this is our Indian map. So about temperature, locations, etc. So you also practice the remaining in these 5 lessons. What are the maps are there? You also practice. Thank you.